Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic field due to long straight conductor carrying current. This lead pen is a conductor. It is a current carrying conductor, means this lead pen produced magnetic field around it. So around it means here around the conductor magnetic field produced from Weierstrass experiment. So here also we consider one long straight current carrying conductor. So it is a long straight current carrying conductor. So length of the conductor, for example, this is M and this one is N, and the geometrical center of the conductor O. Geometrical center of the conductor O. And next we consider another one, point B. So connect with O to B. So length of O to B is A. And next we consider one small area. So total length of the conductor, total length of the conductor L. We consider one small area of the conductor. So the area name AB. So the small area length DL. Total length L. The small area length DL. In our textbook here put A, here put B. It is wrong. So please change the values. This one is B, this one is A. The next connect A and B and also B and A. So this is A, this one is R. Distance between, so first one is C, we write here O to B is equal to A. Next A to P is equal to R. AB is equal to DL. Right, considering area length DL. Total length, right, total length MN is equal to L. So this one is center, this one is center from the axis. It is center point to O. This is minus, this one is plus. So here also this, that means O to M minus O to N plus. We use this minus and plus later. So next, angle of APO, where right here. So angle of APO is equal to pi. That means this angle value pi. And the next one is we consider one perpendicular line A to AB point. A to AB point, the point value C, and it makes some angle. The angle value theta. That means angle of ABC is equal theta. The next one is angle of APC. Angle of APC is equal APC. That means this angle value is D pi. Right. So next one is Biot-Savart law equation. We know very well what is meant by Biot-Savart law equation. dP magnetic strength, right? So dP magnetic strength is equal nu naught divided by 4 by nu naught is a constant value and 4 pi value also constant. Nu naught divided by 4 by I, current carrying conductor, total current value I, and DL, that means the particular length I DL divided by R squared. So considering point to geometrical center distance R, right? So R squared. Next it makes some angle. This angle sin theta. Next unit vector n cap. So unit vector never change the value because the unit vector value is nearly 1. Right. So dP is equal to dP, that means the magnetic field is equal to nu naught 4 by IDL divided by R squared and sin theta dot n cap value. So first we consider the angle ABC in triangle ABC, right? So ABC. So this is angle theta ACB, right? So AB value is dl. That means this diagram, right? So sin theta is equal, what is my sin theta value? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Sin theta value opposite divided by hypotenuse. Here opposite value is AC divided by hypotenuse value. Hypotenuse value is AB. So here total value dl. AB sin theta AC value, we don't know AC value, but we know AP value dl. AP value is dl. So AC is equal sin theta dot dl. That is equation number dl, equation number 1. Next we move on the triangle APC. In triangle APC, so same, sin theta is equal opposite divided by hypotenuse. So this angle APC, so this one AB B to C. So this is angle, so opposite side AC. So opposite side AC divided by AC, and hypotenuse value or longest distance R. So sin theta is equal to AC, that means R means AP. Here we put AP. So AC is equal to divided by AP is equal to AC. We don't know AC value, but we know the AP value. AP value is equal to R. Here theta value d pi, so sin d pi is equal AC divided by R, or AC is equal sin d pi dot R. Here d pi value is very small. The d pi value very small compare with pi. So sin d pi is equal to only for d pi. So AC is equal d pi dot R. Equation number 2. So first equation AC value sin theta dl. In second equation AC value d pi dot R. So AC is equal sin theta dl is equal d pi dot R, or sin theta dl is equal to d pi dot R. In Biot-Savart equation, dp is equal to nu naught divided by 4 by idl sin theta. That means dl sin theta. So here dl sin theta present, here also dl sin theta present. So next we want to substitute dl sin theta value in the Biot-Savart equation. Right. So Biot-Savart equation dp vector, once again dp vector nu naught divided by 4 by I dl divided by r square. Next one is sin theta dot unit vector n cap. So sin theta dl value we calculated from the last equation. Sin theta dl value d pi dot r, right? So d pi dot r, so db vector is equal nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by r square. Dl sin theta value d pi, so d pi dot r in the unit vector n cap. R and squared cancel, balance value d pi vector is equal nu naught divided by 4 by I, d pi vector is equal nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by R only, balance d pi dot n cap, right? So next we want to calculate R value, right? From the diagram we want to calculate R value. So R value means we have three chances. One is cos theta, next one is sin theta, and next one is tan theta. So cos theta, sin theta value opposite divided by hypotenuse, cos theta value adjacent divided by hypotenuse, tan theta value opposite divided by adjacent. On simple memory step, O sha cho ta, O sha cha ta. So S sin theta, C cos theta, T tan theta. Sin theta formula opposite, O means opposite, so opposite divided by hypotenuse, simple. Next one is cos theta. So cos theta formula, A means adjacent, so adjacent divided by hypotenuse, easy. And third one is tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but O opposite and divided by A adjacent. And sometimes we use cos theta, here we used cos sin theta, here also we used sin theta, here also we used sin theta, but sometimes we use for cos theta, sometimes we use for tan theta. Here R we need for R, so R means this one is angle, so angle opposite side, this one is opposite side, and this one is hypotenuse, and this one is adjacent. So hypotenuse, we need hypotenuse value. So hypotenuse means only for cos theta or sin theta, cos theta or sin theta. Here we consider cos theta value. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, right? So adjacent value, so this one is opposite, next one is adjacent value OP, hypotenuse value AP, OP value A, AP value R. So adjacent value A divided by hypotenuse value R. So cos, here theta value pi, so cos pi is equal to A divided by R. We need for R, so rearrange the equation. R is equal A divided by cos pi, right? We calculated R value. So next we want to substitute R value from the above equation. D P vector is equal nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by R value A by cos pi d pi dot n cap. So denominator and numerator value, so numerator to denominator, so dp vector is equal to nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by A, next one is a numerator value cos pi dot d pi dot n, means a unit vector. So next integrate both side, integration of dp vector is equal integration of nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by A cos pi dot d pi, next one is unit vector n cap. So nu naught already we discussed, nu naught is a constant value, 4 pi is a constant value, I also constant value, A also constant value. So we never integrate constant value, so balance we have only for cos pi t pi. So integration of dp vector is equal to integration of nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by A, next one is the integration, because nu naught divided by 4 by I divided by A value constant, so integration cos pi d pi dot n cap. The next one is upper limit and lower limit. So already discussed from the diagram, though this is a geometrical point O, this one is pi 1, this one is pi 2. It is a negative side, so minus. This one is a positive side, so plus. So upper limit value minus pi 1 and lower limit value minus pi 1 and upper limit value plus pi 2. Right. So integration of dp is nothing but b vector. The next constant values mu naught divided by 4 by I divided by a. Integration of cos pi, that means the integration of cos theta is equal to sin theta, right? Here integration of cos pi is equal to sin pi, nothing. So sin pi, upper limit value pi 2 and lower limit value minus pi 1 and the unit vector n cap. So next we want to substitute upper limit value and also lower limit value. Mu naught divided by 4 by I divided by a sin pi value, first one is upper limit pi 2 minus second one is lower limit, so sin minus pi 1 and the unit vector n cap. Mu naught divided by 4 by I divided by a sin pi 2 minus into minus plus, so plus sin pi 1 unit vector n cap. Pi 2 value is equal to pi 1. Here the distance between 0 to pi 1 and O to pi 1 and O to pi 2 equal. So pi 2 value is equal to pi 1. The angle 90 degree, right? Because it is a diagram, simple. It is a diagram. So it is angle 90 degree means this angle also 90 degree. So pi 2 is equal to pi 1 is equal to 90. So substitute the value mu naught divided by 4 by I divided by a sin 90 degree plus once again sin 90 degree and the unit vector n cap. So sin 90 degree value 1, here sin 90 degree value 1, upper 1 plus 1 2. So mu naught divided by 4 by I divided by a value 2 unit vector n cap. 2 cancel, balance 2. So mu naught divided by 2 by I divided by a unit vector n cap. So this is total magnetic strength of the conductor. So it is a conductor, just imagine, right? It is a conductor. This conductor, we consider one small part. We consider this red color area is dl. Red color area dl mean total magnetic strength. dp is equal to mu naught divided by 4 by I divided by a cos pi d pi n. Suppose you want to total conductor magnetic strength from the beginning point m to n mean b vector is equal to mu naught divided by 2 by I divided by a and the unit vector n cap. Thank you, students.